Hey friends, if you wish to fix HTTP error 422 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first solution is to refresh the tab. For example, if this tab is open, just click on the refresh button here. The second solution is to remove extensions. But yes, I'll suggest one more thing before this. Close the browser, open it once again. Does this help? If not, then maybe an extension is interfering. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extension. Click on manage extensions. Now I have a VPN extension here that could be the problem. So I will disable it. If this helps, then I will remove it. The last one is to sync the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. Make sure that the switches for set time zone automatically and set time automatically are checked, and then click on sync now. And this will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.